Okay, yep. They call me Larry Hoover on this track. They call me Larry Hoover. They call me Larry Hoover. The way I be moving them bricks. They call me Larry Hoover. The way I be moving them bricks. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. They call me Larry Hoover. Yeah, I be moving them. You better fall back. Yeah, I'm so dangerous. The flow sick. The kush is burning. You know it, son, you better get to learning. I'm stunna-k all about spitting so much time to take over the internet. You know we gonna kill it right, yeah. I'm stunna-k, you know it. I'm making a video on YouTube, so I gotta slow it. Yeah, I'm putting on it. You don't even want no bitch. The Jetsons killing this beat. Call me Larry Hoover, mushing them bricks. You know we doing it. You don't even want the beat. You don't even want no drama. Get stomped out, nigga. Yeah. They call me Larry Hoover on the track. The flow is so great, and nigga, you so late. Yeah, you don't want it. I'm demolishing rappers, dog. You know it, you niggas can't even try to rap the dog. Yeah, you better fall back. You can't touch my flow. You swagger jack and know it. Yeah, get off my flow. Yeah, trying to jock a nigga swag, but you really can't. You know you try to beat me, definitely you fucking can't. You still stunna-k, you better fall off. Fuck the pride, nigga. He can suck a dick, nigga. Yeah, full of them triggers. And yeah, you don't want it. Yeah, rap video. Yeah, you know we still stunning. Yeah, cause you don't even want it, son. Nope, you don't even want it, son. You don't even want it, son. You don't even want it. You don't even want it. Yeah. Let's go. Yup. Yeah. And Chibi can't even rap. Bro, Kings 24/7. I'm a hustler. Let's go. Yeah, you whack rappers in here. Yup. You don't want it. Yeah. Shout out to Two-Tone. Yeah, bro, Kings. Yeah, the Kid-Slick. We doing it big. I'm trying to take over the internet. Yeah, and be proud. Eat a dick. Eat a dick. Yeah. Like, don't try to holler at me, man. Stunner. It's your boy. Call me the Prince of the City.